Hello, welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Lata and Hamu. During busy mornings, sometimes we don't have time to make chutney or sambar. Those times, it's the idli podi that saves us. Let's see how to make this simple recipe. Before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video. First, let's roast the ingredients we need to make the idli powder. Add 150 grams of black gram to the pan. Then add 75 grams of Bengal gram, 2 tablespoons of Toor Dal, and start roasting at medium flame. Roast it half the way through. No need for oil. Ammo, how do you measure this in cups? For example, you use this cup full of black gram flat top, then the same cup of Bengal gram, then 2 tablespoons of Toor Dal, 2 tablespoons of white sesame seeds. I am using white sesame seeds, but you can use even black sesame seeds. Then half tablespoon of cumin, half tablespoon of pepper. These are the quantities we need to use. It's roasted as we needed it. At this stage, add 15 dry red chillies, 3 tablespoons of white sesame seeds. You can even use black sesame seeds. With that, add half tablespoon of pepper, half tablespoon of cumin. All together, roast it until it turns to golden color. Now, I have 20 curry leaves ready. Add this as well. This gives a nice aroma and good taste. So, add this as well. This idli powder has a lot of protein. You can have this with ghee or sesame oil. You can very well give it to children as well. More than chutney and sambar, I love idli powder a lot. If I have this, I can very well cover 2 months of breakfast needs. Ammo, how many days can we preserve this and eat? If you store it in an airtight box, you can use it for 2 months. This is very useful for hostel students, bachelors who live out of town. It's a very useful instant food. Even for us, it's very useful when we don't have chutney or sambar. You know what? This is my life savior. Very handy life savior. Now it's roasted well. At this stage, add 1 tablespoon of salt and shifted it to a plate to cool it. While it's cooling off, add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan. Once it warm, add 6 mashed garlic cloves and roasted it to a crispy and crunchy state. Once it turns light brown, shifted it to a plate to cool it, then to grind it. Now add all the ingredients and the garlic to a mixie and grind it. Tasty idli podi is ready. Please try making it and let us know your opinion in the comments. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thanks for watching our video.